TeraFlex's Dana HD Differential Covers for the JL Wrangler and the JT Gladiator are designed specifically for Dana axles. They feature a large diameter fill/inspection port. The process for replacing a differential cover is essentially the same on both the front and the rear axles. Begin by removing the drain plug on the lower side of the axle. This is in a little different location for the front or the rear axle, and make sure you have a drain pan handy to catch the oil. Remove the 12 bolts attaching the diff cover to the housing. Use a mallet to break the seal and remove the diff cover. Remove the factory seal. It does not work with the TeraFlex diff covers. Clean up the area where the diff cover attaches to the axle housing. Wipe it down to remove any oil. Use a wire wheel to polish the surface and really make it clean. Make sure that you angle the wire wheel so that any debris shoots away from the gears. At this point, we waited about 20 to 30 minutes to allow the excess oil to drain. It's important that about as much oil as possible has drained from the differential. After the 20 or 30 minutes, clean off any remaining oil on the surfaces. Clean off the differential cover as well. Apply a bead of RTV silicone around the axle housing as shown. Complete a circle around the 4 holes that go into the axle housing. This will safeguard against any defects in the axle casting that could cause oil to leak out those bolt holes. It's a rare chance that this could happen, but it's best to be safe. Place the differential cover onto the housing and attach it using the provided hardware. Avoid moving the differential around too much once you have it placed on the housing so as not to ruin the seal. Tighten down the hardware. Allow at least an hour for the silicone to set up a little bit. It will fully dry within 24 hours. Replace the drain plug. Fill the axle with oil until it spills out of the lower opening, and then install the plug. Make sure the O-ring is on the plug before you install it. Install the inspection port plug. Again, make sure the O-ring is on the plug.